Product.
Product of set. So Cartesian product of set can be written as A cross B, like that. Okay, A cross B. So A is one set, B is one set. And Cartesian product will have the pairs. Will have the pairs uh, with all combination. Okay, all elements with A and B, all combination pair will come. And then the relation. So relation is actually the subset of Cartesian product. And subset of Cartesian product uh, may be any subset. There is no restriction of the relation. There may be any subset. So maybe R1, R2, R3, R4. There are many examples possible. So on that relation, we will find out some special relation. Some special relation that will be called function. So every function is a relation. Actually, you can say every function is a relation, but it is a special type of relation. Okay? But every relation is not a function. Every relation is not a function. So there will be two conditions, actually, two criteria. So what are the two uh, criteria or two conditions? So two conditions are, I'm writing the conditions here. Two conditions. What are the two conditions? One condition is uh, no element in the left side will be blank. So this is number one. Number one is no element, no element in the left side. So what is the left side set name? That is called domain. Okay, what is the left side called? It is called domain. So no element in domain is blank. So this is one condition, and another condition is no element in domain will be connected with
Range, range, sir.
no element in range. No, the second condition is what? No element in the left side, no element in the domain. Again, the condition is no element in the domain will have two. No element in the domain is connected with
More than one
connected
element.
with more than one, connected with two or more elements in the range.
Right
So
side.
connected with more than one, or you can say two or more. Okay, connected with more than one, you can say two or more. Same thing, more than one uh, element in in right side. So what is the right side name? Right side name is the range. You can say codomain also, that is also possible. You can say range also, that is also possible. So this is the condition. So based on the condition, some relation will be function, and function will be four types, four types of functions. So what are the four types of functions? Uh, one type is uh, one type is one and one type is what? One type is one and
Not on.
one and on two. That is one type of function. What is the other type of function? One, but but not on two. This is another type. And what is another type? Not one, not one. sorry, not 1 1, but onto. Onto, yes. Another type is not 1 1 and not onto. So these are the 4 different types. Not 1 1 and not onto. So these are the 4 different types of functions. So that is it. So we discussed about all this. Now the question is, we did not do any mathematical calculation. We did not do any mathematical calculation on this topic. So how the question will come in the exam? So in the exam, there may be little conceptual question, definition question. So mostly I will ask question in the Viva. In the written exam, maybe I will not give any question from the function concept. So function is the concept. I will ask you question in the Viva. Maybe there will be no question in the written part. So in the written part, there will be other questions from the set theory, so that you can answer by calculation or by showing the elements in the union, intersection, exclusion, complement, like that. So those questions will come in the written part, and in the Viva part, I will ask you some conceptual question, theoretical question from this function area. Is that okay? Do you understand now?
Okay, sir.
So any more question or any confusion? Finish this topic? Do you have any more confusion or any question on this?
No, sir.
Okay. So let us
Sir,
continue. Yes.
is there any chances to relation between the real life example in this topic?
Yes, of course.
Sir, how?
But set you already know. Set can be the group of numbers or objects in our real life, right? So if you have the objects in our real life for set, you have the same concept or same understanding in the Cartesian product also. If you have A or B from the real life, so there is A cross B also from the real life. You have also relation, that is the subset of A cross B. This is automatically from the real life, right? And you have also function, because function is a special type of relation. Then again, function is also from the real life. So there are many examples, and it is possible, but I did not talk about that because we did not do calculation for function part. Okay, so just try to understand what is function, what is relation. For this course, it will be okay. But if you do the calculation about function, and then domain will come, and then range will come, okay, how to do the calculation for domain and range, and the function example will come. So we did not actually started that calculation or that area, because of this course is about fundamental mathematics. So science students may need to do more calculation on function and domain range. Not everyone, all the programs like BBA, BATHM, nursing will do the calculations. So we did not include that part. Okay, but it is definitely connected with real life. If there is no connection with real life, then this theory is not necessary to be taught or to be learned. If there is no connection, it should not be included in any book. You understand my point? The
Yes, sir.
theory, whatever the theory, if you see this in book, that means there is a necessity, there is a connection with the real life. Otherwise, people will not be interested about this book. Nobody will buy this book. Nobody will learn in the class. Then what is the point? So definitely there is a connection, but we are not going to that part for this course. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Then okay, sir.
Let us continue with the next chapter. Let us continue with the next chapter, and this chapter is called progression. This chapter is called progression, and progression sometimes called sequence. Progression sometimes called sequence. So sequence or progression is more or less same thing. They are actually the same thing. So what are these? The progression or sequence is the numbers uh, presented as one by one. Numbers presented as one by one. Say one number is 1, and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So dot dot dot, this can be one progression. This can be one sequence. Possible. Why? Because there is a rule. There is a rule. I mean, every time it is one more. Every time it is one more. So if you start with 1 and then 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then dot dot dot, this is also a progression or series. Okay, let me write like 10, then 20, then 40, then 80, then 160. This is also a sequence. Let me write something like 3, or let me start with 2. 2, then 6, then 18, then 54, then 162, then dot dot dot. Let me write something like 150, then 125, then 100, then 75, then 50, then dot 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 dot, like that. Let me write something like 200, then 50, then 12.5, then 3.125, okay, then 0. 0.8125, okay, and then dot 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 dot, something like that. So what I'm not sure about the last one. Let me check. Uh, uh, 78125, not 0. The number last one is 78125. So this one is 78125. Okay. Now all these are example sequence. So what is the main definition? Main definition is there must be a criteria. There must be a criteria based on a specific criteria. So there is a specific logic. There is a specific calculation. Okay. So criteria means condition. You can say condition. You can say criteria. You can say logic. Okay. You can say calculation. So you can say restriction. So there should be a certain condition or restriction or criteria. So what is the condition for the first one? The condition is always always one more. What is the condition here? Always one more. This is the condition. You understand what I'm saying? Always one more. So if you want to know what is the next number, then you can say after 5, next number will be 6, because the condition is always one more than the previous one. Is it okay? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So what is the condition for the second example? Is there any condition? If you see there is no criteria, no condition, then it is not a progression. So do you find any condition for the second example?
Yes, sir.
What is that condition?
Sir, 1 divided by 1, sir. The difference between 1 divided by 1 is equal to same answer will be come, sir.
1 divided by 1.
Like,
So what?
yes, sir. Like, sir, uh, 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, and 16 divided by 8.
So what you can say? I mean, what will be the next number?
Next number will be, sir, 32. 32, sir.
So what you can say? Somebody said double. Who said double?
আচ্ছা 2 গুণিতক
Yes. So double or
Two more, sir.
2 more? Is it 2 more? 16 plus 2 will be 18. Is the next number?
2 into হবে এখানে
2 into. So
Multiply,
not 2
sir.
more. Not 2 more. It is double. Or you can say 2. You can say 2 times. You can say 2 times. Okay, double or 2 times. Okay, so what is the next sequence? Is this a sequence also?
Sir, yes, sir. It is also
Yes.
a double.
It
So
will
it
be
is
10 times.
10 times? No.
No, sir. 2 times, sir. Double and 2 times.
Same way,
Double,
sir.
sir, double.
Sir, but 2 times.
So 2 times or double, same thing. Not 10 times, not 10 times, same thing. What about the next one?
Sir,
So
4
three
times.
times. 3 times, sir.
So this is also a sequence, and there is a condition, there is a logic, and the condition here is 3 times. Okay, so every time 3 times. Good. And next one.
Sir, I think it is not progression, sir.
Okay, so you are thinking it is not progression. And check, everybody check. Gulam Rabbani is saying it is not progression. So you check, and what do you think? There should be a particular logic or condition or criteria, then it will be progression. So if you can find out any particular logic,
Uh,
Sir,
there is a logic.
25.
Um, every time it reduces by 25.
okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
so there is a condition.
Yes, sir.
So the condition is 25 less
Yes, less
every
than
time.
25.
So
Yes, sir.
you can check now. You can check now, is this working or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
So it is also a progression. Good, because it is working. What about the next one, the last one? Do you find any logic or criteria for the last example?
Yes, sir. Uh,
What is that?
sir, I think we have to divide it by 4. Every next number is the result of um, মানে স্যার ইংলিশে বলতে পারতেছি না
Yeah, no, you
হ্যাঁ
are right. Divided by 4.
4.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is perfect English. Okay, no problem. So this is also another example sequence. You can say example progression, and the condition for this is divided by 4. Every time you divide by 4, the next number will come. You can check, then you will find it out. Every time you divide by 4, then the next number will come. So it is fine. And the main point is there should be a certain specific condition or criteria or logic, so that it will be possible to understand the next number. It will be possible to understand the next number, and also the next number, and also the next number. So this is the progression or sequence. Sometimes we use another word, series. Sometimes we use another word, series. So what is actually series? Series is actually the same thing, but it will be always with plus sign. It will be always with plus sign, like 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So like that. So the sequence or progression concept is same, but if you say series, that means there will be always plus sign in between two numbers. So you can say 200 plus 50 plus 12.5 plus 3.125 and plus 0.78125, and then plus dot dot dot. It is a series. So series and progression are not exactly the same thing. Progression sequence will be with comma, okay, comma, and number will come, and series is with plus sign. So this is another term. Now I can tell you there are other types of progression also. Here in this example there are some times, and there are other types of progressions also. Say I am giving one example like 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then 25, then dot dot dot. So what is the condition here? Do you find any condition here?
No, sir.
No condition. Okay, so you think it is not a progression. And what about others? Can you find out the condition? For this one, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Do you find any condition here? Do you find any condition here? The third example. Now
No, sir.
now you think about the green color example. So try to find out or try to understand the condition. Do you find anything?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
First one.
First one, okay.
Will be,
Yes.
first we will add 3 with the first number, then
Mhm.
5 with the second number,
Mhm.
then 7 with the third number, then 9 with the fourth number. Like it
Yes.
is gradually we have to plus with the number. Like first of all 3, then
Okay.
5, then 7.
Okay. So this can be a progression because you can find out a criteria or logic. Okay. So what about the second one? Can you find out any logic for the second one?
Sir, I think it will be -2 plus 2. -2 plus 2, like this way.
Okay. So sometimes -2 and sometimes +2.
Or orderly, sir. First of all, -2, then plus 2, then -2, then plus 2.
Okay. So this is alternative way, +2, yeah, -2 +2, -2 +2 possible. So this is also a I mean sequence because there is a condition possible to apply. So this is good. And third one.
So sum of two number is the next number. We have to plus the first two number, then we get the second number.
Okay, good. So that is also correct. So it is the sum of the last two numbers, previous two numbers or last two numbers. So this is the condition. So last two numbers. Okay. So if you think about the first one, it is actually position square. Position square means first position 1 square, second position 2 square, and third position 3 square, fourth position 4 square, like that. And what you have said, 3, 4, then 5, then 7, then plus 9, that is also possible. So that condition is also correct, what Takia said. And now I am giving you a little easier criteria. This is position square. And second one is multiply by -1. This is every time it is correct. So if you think about -2, then +2, then -2, then +2, that is also correct. Okay. And the last one is sum of two numbers. And this is very, very famous sequence. This sequence is called Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Fibonacci, somebody says, but I'm saying it is Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence is very, very famous in the mathematics. You can search in Google, then you will understand. Okay, anyway, so this sequence is that. So there may be different many other types. Okay, And sometimes the condition may be very critical. Sometimes the condition is not very easy, so that there may be different conditions and different type of sequence progression. But in this course, we will talk about only the left side examples, only the left side examples. That is only, there are two types of sequence we will talk. One is called arithmetic progression, one is called geometric progression. So we are not learning the green color sequences, because there are many types of sequence in the world, and in the course we will not include everything. We will include only two types, and two types are arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. You can say AP, okay, and another one is called geometric progression. You can say GP, okay. So all these are included here in the left side. I will tell you which one is what. So if you think about plus or minus, if you think about plus or minus, that will be arithmetic progression. If you think about only more or less, only more or less, that is only plus or minus, that will be called arithmetic progression. So which one is more or less? Say this one, okay, and you can think about 25 less, that one, okay, 25 less, that one. It is these two, that is something plus or something minus, that will be the arithmetic progression. Is that okay? Do you understand what I'm saying? Only plus or minus, that will be the arithmetic progression. Only plus or minus. And if you think about multiplication or division, okay, if you think about multiplication or division, that will be the geometric progression. That will be the geometric progression. So when I say double two times, this is geometric. Okay, when I say double or two times, this is geometric. When I say three times, this is geometric. When I say divided by 4, this is geometric. You understand my point? So multiply by a number or divide by a number, that will be geometric. That will be geometric. And plus by a number, minus by a number, that will be arithmetic. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Use a separate window or separate tab. Yes. Tell me, Abukar Dahir.
I said, sir, we will try.
Do this right now. Not in future. Just do it right now. I have got 13 students answer. I am giving you one more time, 1 more minute. And before that, finish this. If you face problem, let me know. Only 13 students. What about others? Do you face any problem? Let me know. I will help you to do that. Now it is 17. It is increasing, but still not everyone is attending. I want everyone will attend, everyone.
Sir, I try, but it's failed. So it's cannot load.
Mani, you cannot go to the menti.com website.
Yes, sir. The file was error. Said it's error.
No, you write 1084063. You just copy my code from the chat box. Copy and paste.
Okay, sir. Let me try.
Yes. Try it again.
Sir,
08463. So can you go back and try it again? Possible? Is there any option?
Sir, in my case, here is showing that please wait for the presenter for the next slide.
Yes, that is the second slide, but can you go back to the first slide again? If you
No,
just
sir.
yes,
Or
sir. Now
Here
it is
it's
okay,
not
sir.
possible.
no,
it's
I'm
okay,
saying
Karan.
I'm just saying if you go to menti.com and give the code again, and can you see that the first slide is coming again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now it's okay, sir.
Yes. So let me give you the correct answer. Here you have 4 sentences, and the blue color sequence is a group of numbers presented one by one based on a criteria is correct. Blue color option is correct, and the red color option is also correct. Sequence is also called as progression. This is also correct.
Sir,
And
your screen share is not open, sir.
oh, okay. So let me just share it. Okay, good. So let me just share it to you so that you can understand. You can see now. Can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some more people are answering. 26 students already answered, so it's good, no problem. And somebody answered maybe 2 times, but anyway, the blue color answer is correct. That is, sequence is a group of numbers presented one by one based on a criteria. And the red color answer is also correct because it is sequence is also called as progression. And other two, the pink and yellow, other two, they are wrong. They are not correct. Okay. So that is all. Let me move to the next slide. I will give you another question. Let us move to the next slide, and there will be again a question. So in this case, you will give the example sequence. So what I have written, you will write your name, then you write one sequence, any sequence you like, no problem. Is it arithmetic or geometric or other type, does not matter. You make your sequence, any sequence as you like. You will make your own sequence. Just write 5 numbers and then dot dot dot.
Right now.
Yes, right now. There is a box you can write, right? So you write your name. Yes, Robbani has given already. So Robbani, then you write the sequence. You write your name. You write your name so that I can understand who is giving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very, easy example. Everyone knows. Ferdos has given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. You can create your own sequence in your own way. So Sumayam Fatima Tani has given 4, 16, 32, 64, 128. So the first number should be 8, isn't it, Sumaya Fatima? Because you are doubling the numbers.
Sorry, sir, I skip 8. Sorry.
Okay, so no
4
problem.
then 8. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Sharmin Sheila has written 3, 9, 27, 81. Yes, possible. Asan Habib has written, you can see the screen, right? You can see the answers coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Asan Habib has written 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, this is my example. Marufa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is very simple example. Marjana 1, 5, 6, 11, 17, 28. So how it is 1, then 5, then 6? Marjana,
Yes, sir.
how it is a sequence?
So
1, then 5,
5,
then 6, then 11. Then
1, 5 equal 6, and 6 and 5 equal 11, 11 and 6 equal 17, 17 and 11 equal 28.
oh, okay. Then it's fine. Okay, so it is like the Fibonacci sequence, like that, but the first two numbers are not 1, 1. First two numbers are different, but it is also a Fibonacci sequence. So it is Fibonacci Sriti sequence. Okay. Another Fibonacci, no. What is Tanni's sequence? Tanni. 1, 3, 4, then 6, then 7. What is that actually? What is Takiya's sequence?
Actually did it like 1 plus first number plus 4 into 1, then the result second number plus 4 into 2, then the third number plus 4 into 3, like this way.
Okay, good. Hamid Siddiqui 139, okay, simple. 13579, okay.